Hi guys, this is Jake and George from EDC Leather. Got pretty excited to have some new stuff out, and I want to show you what it consists of. So we have shoulder holsters coming out to the Click and Ship program, but of course, as always, you can get the pattern. Now, the bit of a challenge that we run into with shoulder holsters is all the hardware that is necessary. In fact, we have to go like 4 or 5 vendors to get the hardware that we need. So the pattern itself, the pattern will come with a full hardware set. Okay, and that's if you just want to get the pattern, sell the pattern and hardware together. Okay, so let's go over what you get in that. First of all, there's the master pattern showing the trim outs, okay, and placement of all the various parts and some stitch lines. So that you're used to from all the stuff that you get from us. Then we have individual patterns of all the different pieces. And in this area here, the videos that we're shooting will have the QR codes for those videos right here. And we're breaking them down to each part of the build. Now this one here gets a little bit spiritual, okay? And this is when we get to our mag pouches, and I want to make sure you have the ability to adjust the size of your mag pouch to the size of your magazine. Here we explain it all step by step, but we're going to do it in video as well. So these are the printed patterns. Now let's talk about the hardware. We've broken it down into 3 different sections. So the harness, this would be the brace on the back and then the straps that go around your body. The hardware for that would be 4 long Chicago screws. They will go through the brace itself, and then 8 shorter ones to actually tighten up on the straps. So that is the harness part. Now let's look at the mag pouch. The mag pouch is going to be hanging from the harness on the opposite side of the firearm. So we need a few other things. So we're going to have 2 1-inch rings, okay, and that's what they hang by. And then we're going to have 2 longer Chicago screws to go through the mag pouch, 2 snap sets with nylon snapback protectors where your mag pouch actually snaps together. And that's what those parts are going to be. Then we get to the holster itself, okay? And of course, you're going to need a thumb brake kit. So it's just like our thumb brake hook we always carry, plus 2 1-inch rings as well to suspend the holster. So this, if you buy just the pattern and hardware kit, that's what you get. But wait, there's more. So as everything else that we do on at Click and Ships, we have the clicker dies because it's something that we build a lot of, and we're going to provide those to you as well. Here's the other cool stuff you can get. Here's the master holster body. Right here. As you can see, it goes just like that. Okay? We'll get all the various parts out here. Okay. Then here, this is our brace. It consists of 2 pieces of leather. We're going to be doing the video on it, how we assemble it. But that's stitched together. Then it has holes with Chicago screws that holds your harness. So you get 2 of those. This is the magic piece. This is the thumb brake, okay, and the reinforcement panel. You got 1 of those. Now remember I said that we're going to be hanging the mag pouch. So we have 2 hangers that hang your mag pouch. Okay. What we call the pigtail. And this is what really makes this Click and Ship work. This is attached to the outside of the holster. And you trim this off based on the length of your muzzle. We have the front panel for our mag and our rear panel for our mag pouch. Now how cool is that? So we got that, and we got the hardware. We also have straps, and you're going to have 2 24-inch straps and 2 18-inch straps. These have holes in them right now because we're building these. When you get them, they will not have holes in them. You're going to place your holes where you want, where they fit. So, and you can get this in natural, or black, or chocolate brown, or chestnut. These will not be dyed, okay, because the fellow that buys this, he's going to be sitting there in August wearing a sport jacket and a $400 shirt, and let's not take a chance of putting dye on him. Also, if you order the pre-dyed, One of these will come natural to go against his body, and then one of those will be the pre-dyed color, and everything else can be dyed. So you have options either way. So that is what this consists of. We're really stoked about it. This has been about 2 years in the making. So let's sign off of this right now. You got the intro, and we're going to go into building each part of this holster. So it's going to be multiple videos. We're going to do our harness first. Then we're going to do our mag pouch, and then we're going to do the holster. And these things may be dropping over the next week and a half or 2 weeks. So just keep your eye out for them. And I've got, I think, 22 of these, the patterns ready to go. So if you don't see what you're interested in, it might be coming here in another 2 or 3 weeks. So have a great one, gang.